Illinois government J.B. Pritzker paused construction in a main camp for immigrants in Chicago's Brighton Park neighborhood after the publication of environmental report last week. According to Governor's office, Governor's report is aimed at reviewing report and Illinois Environmental Protection Agency is aimed at discussing more. These discussions are expected to be held on Monday. On Friday, a 800-page environmental assessment report was published by the City of Chicago, and soil pollution was discovered from mercury and other compounds in the Brighton Park area, located near West 38th Street and South California Boulevard. Site is expected to temporarily host 2,000 immigrants as part of their efforts to reduce number of people sleeping at airport and police stations as winter approaches. Brighton Park residents and environmental defenders opposed the field in terms of location and environmental concerns. A statement from City showed that mercury discovered in soil was exceeding environmental boundaries and has been eliminated. In report, area of sample area where mercury was discovered was excavated and thrown. In a statement, he said that another position in which semi-intersection compounds are discovered in the field will be discussed. According to report, soil with mercury levels was detected place and removed in storage area, in order to address contamination remaining on typical surface soils of areas. Ice-directed placement as barrier-designed field with minimum thickness of crushed clean stone. The removal limited soil is safe for use of barrier and use temporary housing. On Friday, large tent-like structures were built on the site. Generators and other heavy equipment traveling timber, including timber vacant lotta, can be seen in vacant lot. This is area where flooring moves back and forth on new surface. NBC5. On Friday, several times Mayor Johnson attempted to ask for an update on the site. Question did not answer our series. During a press conference in beginning this week, Mayor Brandon Johnson rejected criticism of how his administration was not transparent about how immigrants deals with issues. Immigrants, I will tell truth. When asked, Johnson to verify which pollutants are on site on Tuesday, said, the assessment continues, and full report will be provided until the end of week. Or am I hear your question? You still ask why we're moving? Because this process we run from beginning. Johnson said when the city puts more pressure on progress approach without environmental evaluation. NBC5's records show that the site was once used as a zinc Isabi plant and is part of a rail yard. At weekend, Julia Ramirez, which contains the site, published a letter on social media that it was a bad communication and lack transparency from City Toprock and healing of the office. Its office. Johnson did not answer questions on Friday.